Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile image on Yelp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your profile image on Yelp. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what we're first going to do is go into Yelp. Next, you want to go ahead and click on the bottom right-hand corner where it says me, and then where the profile image is up on the upper hand side above your name, you're going to go ahead and click on that and then click take or choose photo. So from this point, you could either go ahead and choose a photo from your library or take a new photo to use as your profile image. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your profile image on Yelp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.